Today we're checking out some summer theme boxes from Bespoke Post because it's hot, it's sweaty, and hopefully some of these items will make your summer just a little better than that. So let's check it out. To start things off, although this box is small, it's still packed with some of my favorite items. This is the Shine box and it'll instantly get you summer ready. I mean, come on, this box takes you from a 6 out of 10 to this out of 10. So starting off, this is their very own line of trade all leather sunglasses case, made of full natural grain leather for that real cowboy vibe. It's durable, looks sleek, and just feels great in the hand. It's held shut with just a simple length of leather, but it's what hides inside that's the real moneymaker. These are rain sunglasses and I've got the Sage style here. With its deep bezels, teardrop lens shape, and a tortoise stylized frame, wearing these easily gives you 5 extra cool points on any summer day. There's minor detailing throughout and just a sturdy design. Plus the real secret is once you put these on, you auto-magically feel like you've been transported to California or something. Damn. The glasses alone make this box worth it, but they do include a neat addition. This is the Declan or Declan cloth, a simple microfiber cloth with a classy design. It looks like it's a retired pocket square and found a new job in cleaning your phone screens, camera lenses, or as intended here, your glasses lenses from your damn face sweat. All tucked away, the strap keeps everything securely in place, along with adding some much needed impact resistance. It is leather in the end and will scratch up over time, but that means it only adds to its cowboy vibes down the road. Plus, the whole package easily stuffs inside your pocket while on the go. But before we continue, let's clarify what these boxes are. Now, if you haven't seen my previous videos, you may be wondering what these boxes are. Basically, Bespoke Post curates a bunch of rad products and puts it into a bunch of these boxes. My favorite part being they tell you exactly what you're gonna receive inside each box. And it'll only cost you $45 for what is generally worth over $70 of goods. But the kicker is, if you don't like any box they recommend that month, you can just opt out of it and skip it for that month. There's no commitment to actually buy anything you don't want. So to get started and check out what boxes are right for you, sign up with the link down below. They'll ask you a few questions to personalize your experience. Do you like smoking? Nah. Drinking? Nah. Everyday carry? Heck yeah. And so on. After the system finishes judging you, they'll spit out a bunch of recommendations based on your taste. And remember, you do get to see exactly what you're gonna get in every box. And if you don't see anything you like, there's no commitment to purchase something every month. So if you are interested to see what boxes they recommend for you, sign up with the link down below for a free account. No purchase necessary. This next one is for those who just want to relax, like this guy, chilling like a villain. The retreat box is curated for, well, when you want to retreat. Escape the hustle and bustle, the notifications and constant ringing. Go grab a book, take this box out, and just relax. This box includes 2 essential products for maximum comfort from Qualitree, starting with the simple Katrula blanket that's designed for the outdoors. It's eco-friendly with a DWR coated waterproof flannel and ripstop nylon combo. It's described as soft, warm, and lightweight, which I can 110% confirm, all of the above. You can even double it as a travel pillow if you fold it into itself, use it as a picnic blanket to keep your booty clean, and of course, use it as an actual blanket on a cool night or, you know, while on a hammock, which lucky you is also included. This Qualitree loafer hammock has everything you need to get hanging, all packed inside a compact storage pouch that even doubles as a pocket when it's all set up. Setting up was easy as long as you know how to tie a proper knot, hook up the carabiners, and voila. With its 450-pound weight limit, you can even invite a friend and join that meter high club. When combined with the blanket, you won't ever need to book an Airbnb again, as this is comfier than 80% of them out there. Seriously speaking though, a hammock is just a really fun chair. Swinging back and forth like the good old days, it's surprisingly comfy alone, and the blanket just adds that extra level of soft and cuddliness. But once you're done getting bit by all the mosquitoes outdoors, teardown is super simple too, and it all packs neatly away into the attached pouch. Combined together, you've got a bed to go, and thanks to the lightweight material choices, it makes traveling with both of these hassle-free. This box is for the not so lazy, meant to get you up and active. This is the Explore box, packed with everything you need for a hike, day out in the city, or just jamming out at the park. Starting off with the Off-Grids Tool LED headlamp. It's nothing fancy, just a light to brighten up your day. 3 AAA batteries are included to get you flashing. Single button operation makes it so simple that even you can use it, with 4 different lighting modes depending on your mood. It's mostly plastic with an adjustable strap. It's not going to win any design awards, but this little package just works. Next, another one from Qualitree. This is their Nomad packable backpack, and as the name suggests, This packs up when not in use, but unfolds to a full-fledged backpack. Made of a lightweight, durable, and water-resistant recycled ripstop nylon, it's a really thin but durable material that's double-stitched for that extra level of durability. 2 stretch water bottle pockets, and just a large, spacious interior pocket to store all your essential gear. Like our next item, a classic mirror stainless steel bottle. Nothing fancy, but a must-have on a hot summer day to stay hydrated. Although made of stainless steel, it's still lightweight, holds up to 27 ounces of liquid, leak-proof, and PPA-free. Plus, Mirror shares a portion of the revenue to a good cause, so you can stay hydrated and feel good inside. Finally, on a hot and sweaty day, you'll be glad to have these, the Duke Cannon supplied cold shower towels. And yes, they are exactly what they sound like. This specially made mixture of menthol, aloe, and jojoba actually cools you down on a hot summer day. It's really like jumping in a cold shower and leaving you feeling refreshed. If you're a sweat bucket like I am in the summer, this alone makes this box worth it. So fully packed, you've got all the essential gear in a single bag for a whole day of sun. Plus the bag can fit quite a bit. Like I've got packed here a full towel and even a thick hoodie for those chilly nights. It sits on the back comfortably, but the straps are quite thin, although it's not intended to carry a super heavy load anyways. So now you're ready to see in the dark, shower when you're out, and stay hydrated along with hydrating your bag too. Best part is when you're done, it packs away into the palm of your hand and it even fits in your front pocket. Next, for a little more room on a weekend trip or for some intense lifting action to look your finest this summer, this is the warm-up box that contains one thing, a Propeller Performance duffel. And for the price of this box, it's the best duffel bag you can buy for under $50. Made of some premium water-resistant polyester, water-sealed zippers, and a reinforced bottom, this bag will keep all your deodorants safe. Because let's be real, you definitely need more than one. The details of the bag are what really stand out. From the zippers to the stitching, you can see and feel the quality you're receiving. A simple no-frill shoulder strap is included, albeit with plastic clips, but nothing to complain about for the price. It's got one large pocket for all your clean gear, a wide quick access pocket with 2 sleeves within that for smaller items, and most importantly for any workout bag, a separate dirty pocket for all your stinky socks with essential ventilation so you don't knock yourself out from the smell of your sweaty feet when you open the pocket later. The durable polyester flat bottom allows you to throw the bag around without worrying, and it sits up on its own so it's not tipsy all over the place. Plus at 35 liters, it can store quite a bit, more than enough for a weekend trip, heading to the beach, or to just carry all the extra towels for your sweat session at the Iron Jungle. It's a simple duffel bag with just the essentials that won't break the bank, nor break at all thanks to the premium materials and overall build you can trust. Now moving on from the boxes, here are some summary items direct from their shop you can buy individually. Starting with what I consider one of their coziest items of all, the OG Rumpel Puffy Throw Blanket. Just look at how fluffy this is. Now imagine your tushy sitting on it. I know, it's like sitting on a bed of soft feathers. The stitching throughout the blanket keeps the puffiness even with a reinforced finish around the edges so you can roll into a burrito as tight as you want without fear of it ripping apart. Use this to wrap around you to stay warm and comfy, plus since it unfolds to the size of about 50 by 70 inches, it'll easily cover up you and a beneficial friend on your friend's couch. Folded away though, it's lightweight, has its own stowaway sack, and when not in use, also doubles as a great pillow too. Next, for the rainy summer days, this is the only umbrella you'll ever have to buy. The Blunt Metro is your average looking umbrella when it's collapsed. With its carrying case to keep things dry and its Velcro strap to keep things tidy, it's only when you unfold it do you understand why you're paying triple the cost for this piece of engineering. These arms aren't like your Dollarama store umbrella. They're designed to prevent your biggest fear, a flipped upside down umbrella. Don't worry, I've been there too. In use, what they call the radial tension system, it makes opening the umbrella a breeze with a single click, but it's the skeleton system around that you can count on to not look silly when the sky is crying. And believe it or not, will even hold up to a Naruto run. Once you're all clear of the H2O, it smoothly slides back into its compact design, which is where I want to show its final trick. This little hidden pocket that's specifically included for a tracker of your choice, like my favorite, a Tile Pro. Pop one in and never waste another 10 minutes trying to figure out where you left your damn umbrella. Or as my pro tip, if you need to stay discreet on a rainy date, it makes for a perfect hiding spot, just in case. Plus, even the damn carrying case is functional with the included zipper. Never struggle putting on this umbrella condom again as you simply zip it shut, easy peasy. Lastly, my videos wouldn't be complete without an EDC recommendation, and for your summer carry, this mini classic Victorinox in a wood finish has everything you need on a summer day. Plus, this wood finish just gives off summery vibes like a surfer dude, but is still durable enough to withstand being tossed around. At about the size of my my finger, it includes a mini knife that's fairly sharp, a file with a pointy end to dig at things, and most importantly, a pair of tiny scissors. Great for everyday tasks like those damn loose ends on your super low cut muscle tank tops. It's lightweight so you can throw it onto your keychain without bulking up too much, and honestly, it sort of looks like a popsicle stick or one of those ice cream spoons. Most likely because in its past life it was one. Overall, it doesn't get in the way and useful to have just in case.
Don't forget you can save 20% on your first box. Codes and links down below. That's it. Let me know what your favorite box was. I rest my boxes.